3D Inspection Services Company in Bangalore, India. 3D Inspection Services Company in Bangalore, India are becoming increasingly popular in various industries due to their accuracy and efficiency. Bangalore, often referred to as the Silicon Valley of India, is home to numerous technology companies and research companies. One such company is the SCON Design, which specializes in providing high-quality 3D inspection services. With its state-of-the-art equipment and highly skilled professionals, the company has gained a reputation for delivering accurate and reliable results. India is known for its advanced technology and skilled workforce. The 3D Inspection Services Company offered in Bangalore are no exception. These services company involve the use of advanced techniques and equipment to analyze and evaluate products or components in 3 dimensions. This allows for a more detailed and comprehensive assessment, leading to improved quality control and assurance. The SCON Design in Bangalore is at the forefront of providing these services company to industries such as manufacturing, automotive, aerospace, and healthcare. Their team of experts utilizes cutting-edge software and hardware to capture precise measurements and create detailed 3D models. This enables them to identify any defects or deviations from specifications, ensuring that products meet the highest standards. One of the key advantages of 3D Inspection Services Company is their ability to detect even the smallest defects or variations in complex components. This level of precision is crucial in industries where safety and reliability are paramount. By identifying potential issues early on, manufacturers can prevent costly rework or product recalls. In addition to their accuracy, 3D Inspection Services Company also offer a faster turnaround time compared to traditional inspection methods. The use of advanced technology reduces the need for manual measurements, saving time and increasing productivity. This is particularly beneficial for industries with high production volumes or tight deadlines. Overall, 3D Inspection Services Company in Bangalore, India provided by companies like the SCON Design are an essential tool for achieving quality control and assurance. With their advanced equipment and highly skilled professionals, they ensure that products meet the highest standards of accuracy and reliability. Whether it's in manufacturing, automotive, aerospace, or healthcare, these services company play a crucial role in ensuring customer satisfaction and product excellence. Because of their reliability and effectiveness, 3D Inspection Services Company in Bangalore, India are gaining in popularity across a wide range of sectors. A large number of Indian and international tech businesses and research institutions call Bangalore, or Silicon Valley of India, home. The SCON Design is one such organization that focuses on offering excellent 3D inspection services. The company's expertise and cutting-edge technology have earned it a solid reputation for precision and dependability. India has gained international renown for its cutting-edge innovations and highly trained labor force. It is no different for the 3D Inspection Services Company available in Bangalore. These services company involve analyzing and evaluating items or components in 3 dimensions using cutting-edge methodologies and machinery. This paves the way for a more thorough evaluation, which in turn leads to better quality control and assurance. When it comes to offering these kinds of services company to sectors like manufacturing, automotive, aerospace, and healthcare, the SCON Design in Bangalore is at the vanguard. Their team of specialists uses state-of-the-art tools and software to take accurate measurements and develop comprehensive 3D models. This helps them see any flaws or variations from the norm, guaranteeing that the final product is of the greatest quality. 3D Inspection Services Company are advantageous since they can identify even the tiniest flaws or deviations in complicated components. This level of accuracy is essential in fields where safety and dependability are of the utmost importance. Manufacturers can save money on rework and product recalls if they catch problems early. In addition to being more precise than conventional inspection methods, 3D Inspection Services Company also boast quicker return times. Modern technology lessens the need for time-consuming and error-prone hand measurements. This is especially helpful for sectors that must meet stringent time constraints or a high volume of orders. Quality control and assurance can't be attained without the use of tools like the 3D Inspection Services Company offered by companies like the SCON Design in Bangalore, India. They use cutting-edge technology and the expertise of trained experts to guarantee that their finished goods are flawless. These services company are vital to guaranteeing customer happiness and product excellence in any industry, from manufacturing to automotive to aerospace to healthcare. 3D Inspection Services Company in Bangalore, India are rising in popularity across several industries as a result of its dependability and efficacy. Bangalore, sometimes known as the Silicon Valley of India, is home to a huge number of Indian and foreign technology companies and research organizations. One such company that excels at providing 3D inspection services company is the SCON Design. The company's reputation for accuracy and reliability is built on the foundation of its staff's knowledge and the state-of-the-art equipment it uses. India's prominence in the global economy can be attributed to its advanced technologies and highly skilled workforce. The 3D Inspection Services Company in Bangalore are no exception. Modern equipment and methods are used to do in-depth three-dimensional analyses and evaluations of products and parts. This provides the path for a more comprehensive analysis, which in turn improves quality assurance and control. The SCON design in Bangalore has been at the forefront of providing these kinds of services company to industries like manufacturing, automotive, aerospace, and healthcare. The experts on their team employ cutting-edge hardware and software to make precise measurements and elaborate 3D models. As a result, they are better able to see any deviations from the standard and ensure a high-quality end product. The use of 3D inspection services company is beneficial since even the smallest defects or variations in intricate parts can be spotted. This level of precision is required where safety and dependability are paramount. If faults are identified at an early stage, manufacturers can avoid costly rework and product recalls. 3D inspection services company are not only more precise than traditional inspection methods, but also offer faster turnaround times. Hand measurements are labor-intensive, prone to inaccuracy, and mostly obsolete as a result of technological advancements. This is especially useful for businesses that deal with high order volumes or tight deadlines. Tools like the 3D Inspection Services Company provided by businesses like the SCON design in Bangalore, India are necessary for quality control and assurance to be achieved. To ensure that their final products are error-free, they employ state-of-the-art technology and the knowledge of qualified specialists. Whether you are in manufacturing, the auto sector, aerospace, or healthcare, these services company are critical to your success. Thanks for watching.